Hello everyone. Today we will discuss RRB staff nurse MCQs practice set 13. So let's get started. Adjustment disorder is primarily differentiated from major depressive disorder by correct answer is C. Type of stressor. Adjustment disorder occurs due to an identifiable stressor. MDD does not necessarily require an external trigger. The emotional response in adjustment disorder is out of proportion to the stressor. Next question. Which of the following is least likely in anorexia nervosa? Correct answer is D. Hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia is not typical in anorexia nervosa due to severe caloric restriction. Hypoglycemia is more common. Bradycardia, amenorrhea, and longo are classic signs. Next question. Which of the following is the hallmark symptom of narcolepsy? Correct answer is B. Cataplexy. Cataplexy, sudden loss of muscle tone triggered by emotions, is diagnostic of narcolepsy. It reflects abnormal REM, sleep regulation. Other symptoms may coexist but are not diagnostic. Next question. Which is the antidote for cyanide poisoning? Correct answer is C. Hydroxycobalamin. Hydroxycobalamin binds cyanide to form cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B12, which is excreted in urine, is preferred over nitrates due to fewer side effects. It's FDA approved for cyanide poisoning. Next question. The most appropriate drug for toxoplasmosis in pregnancy is. Correct answer is B. Spiramycin. Spiramycin is used during pregnancy to prevent fetal transmission of Toxoplasma. Primethymine is avoided due to teratogenicity. Spiramycin concentrates in placental tissues. Next question. In the chain of infection, reservoir refers to. Correct answer is B. Where pathogen multiples. Reservoir is the natural habitat where pathogens live and multiply. Example humans, animals. It supports pathogen survival before transmission. It's different from the mode of transmission. Next question. Which of the following targets is not part of SDG 3 good health and well-being? Correct answer is C. Promote lifelong learning. Lifelong learning falls under SDG 4 quality education. SDG 3 includes disease control, UHC, and maternal health. Goals are specific to sectors. Next question. Which hormone plays the primary role in initiating labor? Correct answer is C. Cortisol. Fetal cortisol stimulates placental CRH and prostaglandin synthesis, initiating labor. Oxytocin supports uterine contractions but does not trigger the onset. Progesterone withdrawal is also involved. Next question. The most common mechanism during the first stage of labor is. Correct answer is C. Cervical dilation. First stage of labor involves cervical effacement and dilation due to uterine contractions. Descent and crowning occur later. It's a crucial phase for labor progress. Next question. Which symptom is most common in adjustment disorder? Correct answer is C. Sadness. Adjustment disorder often presents with sadness and tearfulness. It's triggered by a life stressor. Psychotic features like delusions are rare. Next question. Which electrolyte imbalance is seen in bulimia nervosa? Correct answer is B. Hypokalemia. Bulimia involves vomiting and laxative abuse causing potassium loss. Hypokalemia may lead to cardiac issues. It's a key lab clue. Next question. Drug used for short-term insomnia is. Correct answer is B. Zolpidem. Zolpidem is a non-benzodiazepine sedative used for short-term sleep disorders. It has quick action and fewer withdrawal effects. Long-term use is avoided. Next question. In the chain of infection, mode of transmission refers to. Correct answer is C. How pathogen spreads. Mode of transmission is the route by which a pathogen travels from source to host. It can be direct or indirect. Interrupting this breaks the chain. Next question. SDG3 aims to reduce maternal mortality ratio to. Correct answer is B. Less than 70 per 100,000 live births. SDG3 targets maternal health improvement. The global goal is under 70 deaths per 100,000 live births by 2030. It reflects healthcare system strength. Next question. True labor is confirmed by. Correct answer is B. Cervical effacement and dilation. True labor causes progressive cervical changes. Unlike false labor, contractions are regular and intensify. Rest does not relieve symptoms. Next question. First step in mechanism of labor. Correct answer is C. Engagement. Engagement is when the fetal head enters the maternal pelvis. It marks the start of the mechanism of labor. It happens before descent. Next question. Adjustment disorder becomes another diagnosis if it lasts beyond. Correct answer is D. 6 months. By DSM-5 adjustment disorder, symptoms must resolve within 6 months of the stressor ending. If persistent, another psychiatric diagnosis is considered. Next question. A common feature in wing eating disorder is. Correct answer is B. Intense guilty after eating. Wing eating disorder involves uncontrollable eating followed by guilty or shame. Unlike bulimia, there is no purging. Weight may be normal or increased. Next question. Which sleep stage is most associated with vivid dreams? Correct answer is D. REM sleep. REM sleep is when most vivid dreaming occurs. The brain is highly active, similar to wakefulness. It's essential for memory and mood regulation. Next question. Which antidote is used in iron poisoning? Correct answer is A. Deferoxamine. Deferoxamine binds excess iron to form a complex that is excreted in urine. It's used in severe iron toxicity. Early use improves outcomes. Next question. Which SDG target aims to reduce road traffic deaths? Correct answer is D. 3.6. Target 3.6 of SDG 3 aims to halve global road traffic That's why 2030 it focuses on road safety and accident prevention. It involves multi-sectoral action. Next question. Which hormone is responsible for uterine contractions during labor? Correct answer is C. Oxytocin. Oxytocin stimulates uterine muscles to contract. It's naturally released in labor and also used pharmacologically. It enhances labor progression.